In today's video, I'll show you how to create QR codes for audio files in Google Drive. This is a simple and efficient way to share your audio files, allowing anyone to access them instantly with just a quick scan. Let's jump right in and see how it's done. First, open Google Drive in your browser and make sure you're logged into the account that contains the audio file you want to share. Once you're on your Drive homepage, locate the audio file you'd like to turn into a QR code. You can use the search bar or browse through your folders to find it easily. When you found your audio file, right-click on it to open a menu of options. From that menu, select Share. By default, Google Drive keeps sharing set to restricted, meaning only people you specifically invite can view the file. To create a QR code, you'll need to change this. Click where it says restricted and then choose anyone with the link. This change will make your file publicly accessible through a direct link. Next, click Copy Link. Google Drive will confirm that the link has been copied to your clipboard. Now it's time to create your QR code. Open a new tab and search for QR code generator. There are many free and reliable ones available, such as qr-code-generator.com, QRstuff, or goqr.me. Once you open a generator website, you'll see a text box or field where you can paste your copied link. Go ahead and paste your Google Drive link into that field. After pasting the link, look for the button that says Generate or Create QR Code and click on it. Within seconds, the site will produce a QR code that corresponds directly to your audio file's link. You can now preview or customize the QR code's design. For example, you might adjust the color, add a logo, or select the desired size depending on how you plan to share it. When your QR code looks good, click Download. It will usually be saved as an image file, typically in PNG or JPG format, on your device. You can now use this image anywhere you want, in documents, slides, printed materials, or even share it digitally in an email or social post. Anyone who scans the QR code will be instantly directed to your shared Google Drive audio file. This method is incredibly convenient for distributing podcasts, lectures, or sound samples without sending long URLs or attachments. And that's it. You've successfully created a QR code for an audio file stored in Google Drive. It's a quick, simple process that saves time and makes file sharing seamless. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more quick and practical tech guides. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.